Good morning, this is Ms. Billerbeck, and we are going to talk about 10.4 translations of functions. So a general translation of a function looks like g of x equals f of x minus h plus k. So if I only had g of x equals f of x plus k, that would be a vertical translation. If I only had g of x equals f of x minus h, that would only be a horizontal translation. So let's take a look at a few translations. So if we look at this one, this translates vertically up 7. This one translates vertically down 9. This one translates horizontally right 8. That's this direction for anyone who gets those mixed up. This one translates horizontally left 7. So it's going that direction. All right. So this is because this is really x minus -7. And that's why it's translating left the 7. Okay, so don't get confused by that plus sign. It's very confusing. You won't be the first to be confused, and you won't be the last to be confused by that. But just don't be confused. Know it's confusing and deal with it. All right, so how will the following functions translate when g of x equals f of x minus 2 plus 3? So these are all the parent functions. So what we're talking about is if we're going to translate that to g of x is then going to be f of x minus, oops, this is going to be x squared, sorry, g of x is going to be x minus 2 squared plus 3. This one would have been g of x equals 2 to the x minus 2 plus 3. And this one becomes g of x equals the square root of x minus 2 plus 3. Well, that's easy. They're all translating in 2 ways. They translate right 2 and up 3. All of them. Isn't that easy? Okay, so we mustn't make it too hard on ourselves. When we see x minus 2 in there, that's a right translation of 2, and it's pretty self-explanatory. When it's not in a grouping symbol, it's a direct translation up or down. Okay, well, that's it on this section of translation. Pretty simple. We've been going over it this whole year, so hopefully it's very easy for you now. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.